Alright, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge here with an unboxing of a Gerber Sumo. I thought this kind of looked like a cool looking knife. I had it out, carried it around a little bit, and bumped the camera. Has a plain edge. I should see folding. It has like a Benchmade access lock. Has a G10 grips, were kind of real nice looking. Comes in a clamshell. This one, bought it on Amazon. It says one smooth hand operation, which is true once you break it in a little bit. I oiled it up. See, tumbled black ox coating, thumb hole, pivot lock. Let's see, lanyard hole. Plain edge, weight forward blade, and the texture. Alright, it's not a deep carry, but so we're gonna open it up. Designed and engineered in Oregon. Of course, it's made in China, and it has, where does it say? I know it has 7CR17 MOV stainless steel, black and gray. Alright, like I said, I sliced it open, have carried it a few days, and oiled it up. So let's take a look at it. Come on, baby. Got it open good enough. Come on. Beating me up here. I have to get another knife to slice it open more. Let's get the other Gerber. The fast. There we go. That should do it. I just caught it in there good. There we go. Alright, and you get their little warranty came with it. Probably like, who knows, probably not really a Frisker's warranty book. Tells you where Portland, Oregon. Probably don't cut yourself and all that stuff. So, I don't know what the warranties are on some of this stuff, but I'm guessing probably not that great, but I don't know. Never sent one back, so I can't really say. But so tuck that back in the box just in case I ever need it. So came with your protective thing. It's a black and gray. Slide that off, stick that back in the clamshell. Alright, so, and it is, and it will drop shut, which is cool. I thought I read on the order I got on Amazon it said it was bearings, but I'm not sure if it is, but it sure drops good. Has nice detent. So here's a close-up look at it. So the 7CR Gerber logo, access lock, G10 scales. Oh yeah, it has a red supposed to be ceramic coated. You know, you can see it has like a glitter almost look to it, like ruby. It almost has, in person to me, it almost looks like a burgundy, not like a burgundy type color. It's an open pillar design. They are not, the scales are not skeletonized, so it's a little heavy, but I broke it in, it dropped shut. And here I like flicking it like that with my hand. That seems to be the best way I get it open. So I just kind of like grab it with my thumb right there and bam. And of course you keep one hand closing. So it's actually, I think it was $42, which is on the high side for the 7CR 17. I consider it, that's pushing it for that type of metal. But honestly, the step above, which is I think 8CR13, I always have problems with chipping on my 8CR13s. I wonder if I have one. Yeah, I thought I had one. I know I have one, but the 8CR, well, this one, I'm not sure. This one here is the Gerber 2, the flat iron. But anyway, so it has 7CR. I think this has 7CR. But here, let's take a look at the size comparison. Do some size comparisons. All right, so we got the Gerber flat iron, and of course the Gerber Sumo. So it's bigger than the Gerber flat iron. And here's the Gerber assisted 06. So there's 3 different Gerbers, and it's larger than all of them. I'll put this. I'll flip them around so this is on the top. That way you can get. Well, I'll do a count. Let's see. That's the best way. Right at the tip, got 1, 2, 3, 4 4-inch blade, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 solid inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 9. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9-inch long knife. And this Gerber Fast 06 is 8.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. So there's your size comparison. So, and let's see, pop this back here. Let's see, get the Spyderco Tenacious out. Pop this back up. There we go. And here's the Tenacious. So there we go. So there's your Tenacious. I bought this. I kind of thought this actually, the Sumo reminded me of the blade shapes, like a leaf style, almost like a Spyderco. So if you could look, but of course the Spyderco is this Tenacious is a lot smaller. But there's kind of, I think the blade shapes are similar. I think they were going for a Spyderco-ish spear point. But there's that. And close this. See, that's pretty. See what else I got. And that's about. That should be some pretty good size comparisons because. Well, here's this one. It's a Ganzo. It's a modeled after, which is a copy of the Rat one. So there's that. So there's some size comparisons. And let's see. Well, here's how this is an access lock too. But this one, it drops shut too. But it has a little blade play unless I tighten it. But if I tighten this one up, it don't drop shut. This one actually may has a little blade rock, but it's pretty. It's not bad really. Let's take a look at the description on Amazon. See what they want to say about it. All right, it's $42, and there's 2 different styles. This is the one I bought. I bought the one with the red, and there's one that is a blue colored. It has blue inners, like this one here that I have. You can see the red right there. Right there, it's nice and red, like almost a. See, they have some good pictures of it. See, really not. Right there, that's it. And but the whole, this whole area right here, that's what the color of the liner is. That sparkly. Some people that turn some people off, but it's not as like, it's more burgundy. It's not as pronounced as it you would think it would be. But you can see the G10, looks very good, well put together. For the only negative is probably the blade steel. I want to see. I guess I was gonna. Let's try. Let's show you. Let's just show a Mannix. Spider. Spelling it wrong. Spyderco. There it is. Spyderco Mannix. Let's see. Here's a Spyderco Mannix. But I thought, let's take a look now. I want to see if the blade shape. There's the Mannix. See, not so much the handle shape, but the blade shape. It looks like a leaf point. And then go back to the Sumo. And I really believe the the handle, or not the handle, the blade mimics a leaf shaped drop point spear. So let me go back to this screen here and take a look more. So there it goes. It's just pretty much it's a full flat grind. Like it has black tumbled, I believe it said. And the finger hole. Let's see. I think I sometimes can get the thumb hole. It's kind of hard. I can get it, flick it. You can't really. I mean, you can flick it, but I like just doing this. Nope, didn't see it, but handle's not deep carry. So this, some of it will stick out. I guess you'd see this much will stick out of your pocket. So not too much sticking out. It has a lanyard hole in the right spot because it's tip up. Gerber's printed on the pocket clip, but it's black and it's not in your face if you don't like it in your face. The badging's not overly in your face either. So, and here's, let's see if I can get a close up of this. The liner, you can see it's like that sparkly red color. So, all right. So I like it. $42. You know, I have one. I don't think I'd spend $42 again. But if it was $30, I'd probably buy the blue one. But I think $30 should be the price on this. I think it's put together well. But I would probably buy the blue one if it was $30. But I don't know if I want to spend another $42 again because I already got one. But I like it. So that's my saying is if I were you, I'd buy this for $42. And if I already had one like I do, I'd wait till the other one came down to $30 or $32 and I'd buy the blue one. But to each their own. So alright, if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. See ya. Bye.